Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger callbacks. To know how to fix or to solve messenger callbacks, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will search about messenger and you'll find here. Then you click force stop and you click OK. After that we click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end pay attention, don't click clear data because that can mix a lot of errors or issues on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.